hate this stupid rain. It's making me wet everywhere. Ugh, I think I'll just stay here for now. This is enough shelter. Oh, hey. Sorry, I'm not, bothering you at all. I'm just trying to get out the rain. I'm not okay. Sorry. I don't know why I started talking. I didn't want to seem like a weirdo. I was just sitting beside you, and all the other stuff, you know. Yeah. Um. So, what are you doing out here for? Oh, you missed your bus? Um, I'm sorry about that. How about me? Well, I just, well, had a really bad argument with, my ex, I guess you can say. Now, at least. And he kicked me out, so I have to walk all the way back to, my home. So, yeah, that's fun. No, you don't need to apologize. It's fine. I mean, it better now than in a more dire situation. No, it's just a little bit of rain, right? I'll live. No. I'm fine. Just really cold. I've always hated the rain because of the cold, and I mean it sounds nice, but it's man, I get so cold when I'm outside. No, I don't need anything. I'll be good. um, are, are you okay? Or did I do something wrong? Why are you staring at me so much? Oh, no, I promise you I'm good. I'm not like sick or I won't get sick or anything. I usually don't. Seriously, you don't need to worry about me. It, it's kind of nice to know somebody is worrying at least. My phone's dead, so I'm kind of just stuck here waiting for the rain to stop. You know? Yeah. But where'd you get that jacket? Sorry, I'm really shitty at conversation. I was just trying to, sound cool or something. Maybe that's why I broke up with me and stuff. No, I mean, I get it. I'm not that good at like, good conversation. I kind of sound dorky, and it's always fun, especially when I'm freezing half to death. Yeah, no, I promise you. It's just a breakup. It's not like it's the end of the world. I'll be good. But how about you? You missed your bus and stuff. So are you gonna be able to get home safely? You think you will? Oh, well, I mean, I hope too. Um, hey, this is gonna sound totally jerkish, but you wouldn't happen to have a extra one, would you? I'm really hungry, and I was getting something from the vending machine. You're gonna give me half your sandwich? Wait, you have wait. You don't need to do that. Hey, no, it's fine. No. I'd feel like I'm just being like a needy guy who's stealing off you for no reason. It's fine. You don't need to give me the sandwich. I mean, thank you. I really appreciate that. It tastes really good, by the way. Did you make it? Oh, well then, compliments to your mom, of course. You know, or something like that. Mm. Am I gonna be all right in the cold? Yeah, yeah. I'll be good. I mean, I'm kind of trying to ignore it, but you know, it's whatever. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I'm trying to stay awake right now, but I don't want to fall asleep. Yeah, you definitely look like you're pretty tired too. You got done with a how hour long shift? Wow, that's brutal. Oh my gosh. I could never imagine doing that. I just do like normal stuff. Like I'm not saying what you're doing isn't normal. I mean like I only do like small little retail gigs on the side just to make some extra dough. Yeah, I don't really have a full-time job or anything. I'm kind of just bouncing around trying to figure out what I want, you know? But um hey, I have a bit of a weird question. And I totally understand this because I'm kind of a stranger, but it's really cold. Could I get closer just for one? I can. Thank you. Thanks. You know your jacket's really comfy to lean on. Yeah. Is it thermal? Lucky. Mm. Yeah, I'm definitely tired. I'm really trying to stay awake, I promise. No, I don't want to fall asleep on you. That'd be totally rude. I mean, yeah, but still, I mean, I'm trying to not fall asleep on you, you know? Yeah, I mean, the rain sounds nice at least. That's one thing I can enjoy about the rain. Other than that, I don't really like the rain all too much. It just sounds, not sounds, but it's just scary almost. Like it's an impending flood, you know? Yeah, something like that. But tell me more about your job. I'm kind of curious. Hmm. Wow, really? How much does that make? Wow, that's really good. Um, you mind if we swap jobs for a little? No, I'm just saying, I'd love to have a job like that. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm like the brokest person in the world right now. Well, maybe not in the world, but I mean, I'm pretty broke. Okay, homeless people obviously are more broke than me, but then again, they get like a bunch of money, like 30 bucks an hour, just like collecting coins and like cash and their stuff. You know? Yeah, I guess. I'm not gonna do that. Are you crazy? I mean, I was on the streets for like a time, like a little. Oh, really bad argue with my parents, so I kind of just left and, you know, did some stupid stuff, regretted it, came back, and they forgave me. All was good, you know? Yeah. I mean, you know what they say. You'll regret it when you're older. Oh, yeah, of course you can ask. I when I was homeless, I had some people. trying to offer me weird jobs to do weird stuff, and obviously I declined it because, well, A, I was not suitable for that at all, and B, I don't really like going around and doing that kind of stuff. I'm sure you can imagine what I'm trying to say, but obviously I did have to, you know, do stuff to get. No, nothing weird. I just stole from people. That's it. It wasn't really the best time in my life personally. I really regret it. But if I didn't, I was gonna go hungry. But I mean, I'm doing a lot better, like financially now, than I was before. You don't need to apologize. I promise. I'm good now. Well, not right now, but I'm a lot better than I was. It's just I'm still kind of upset about my whole ex thing, you know. Yeah, I kind of lied. I would like to talk about it. Yeah, we were just discussing bills and stuff, and I mentioned us, you know, spending more time together. And I don't know, after a really long day he kind of just blew up at me and started yelling. And I don't know, I started yelling back too because I just didn't really feel appreciated anymore. I felt like he cared more about counting ones instead of counting the time we have together. I mean, life's short, you know? I mean, right now, a pack of hungry wolves could come out of the woods and eat us, you know? Yeah, I guess. But now, you know, after a screaming match, he told me we're over and kicked me out, and yeah. No, I'll probably be fine. I mean, I'm still trying to kind of wrap my head around it. It was kind of sudden and surprising, but I'll be good. I'll be okay. I mean, no, seriously, I'll be fine. But you know, like that one song, it's so stupid. It was from this one like animation movie. It was like, if you knock me over, I will get back up. Like, it was so stupid. I remember watching it like a few years ago with me and my mom, and how I thought like, oh, it's such an upbeat tune. And I mean, it's true. I mean, you know, if you knock me over, oh man, sorry. It was just funny to me. You don't mind? Okay, well, yeah, it is pretty funny, right? It's not cute. It's super awesome and manly and cool. What was my favorite princess from like Disney movies? Snow White. What do you mean I answered that pretty fast? Are you trying to imply something? Okay, yeah, whatever. Just because I have girl interests does not make me a girl, you know. Yeah, whatever. Okay, then who's your favorite princess? That's such a basic answer. How's it basic? Like, you know how it's basic. Come on. Don't I guess me. You know exactly how basic that is. That don't. Yeah. Uh, mm, whatever. I'm not getting all pouty. I'm just being generally upset because you're giving stupid answers. You know? And it doesn't help your case, especially, that you're letting me lean on you while we're talking about this stuff and get all close. I mean, most normal people would have been like, ew, no, get away. La, 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 la. I'm not trying to imply that we're not normal. I'm just saying, like, for me being a stranger, you seem to have a lot of interest for me. Well, yeah, I am implying something. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Whatever. Yeah, well, I'm allowed to imply something. because I'm the one who's being implied on. What do you mean? What do I mean by that? I didn't mean anything weird. What? Get your mind out of the gutter, dork. Oh my gosh. It was pretty funny, yeah. Sorry, I'm not actually upset. I was just, okay, good. I didn't want you thinking that I was, angry at you. But oh, sorry. I kind of dozed off for a second there. Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Up and about. I'm not trying to like lean my head on your shoulders and act like it's just happened on accident. Okay. Yeah. So tell me more about your home life and stuff, if you want to. I'm just trying to make conversation. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, I gotcha. Family's just kind of weird, Nothing else really to it. I think I don't remember. I don't remember where I heard this, but I think it was the family you choose is always better than the family you're given. Or no, it's your family should be the ones you choose, or it was something like that. I don't know, but yeah, your family should be people you like, surround yourself with and who you call your family. Not people who are conformed by blood. What do you mean that? Oh, that's a dorky response. Yeah, well, I'm a dorky person, okay? Whatever. Looks like the rain cleared up. So do you want to like I don't know, go home now or something? I can probably walk back to my house now. You'd like my number? Yeah. Here. Give me your phone. I'll give it to you. And there. Alrighty. That's my number, okay? You better call me, okay? Especially since now that I'm alone and single, I could definitely use somebody. No, I'm not using it as a rebound. Don't. Okay, well, for starters, this person, I've been dating them for more than like less than a few months. So don't think of yourself as a rebound or anything. Got it? Okay, good. Um, hey, do you mind walking me home? I just, I'd feel a little bit better. You will? Thank you. We should probably get going then, right? Okay. Let's go. Come on. Psst. Hey, if you like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.